Welcome back to Ocean Interaction. In today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you through a quick 3-step process to set up FFmpeg on your Windows PC. FFmpeg is a powerful tool for handling media files, and by the end, you'll have it ready to go. Let's get started. Step 1. Download FFmpeg. Step 1 is downloading FFmpeg. First, open your web browser and search for FFmpeg. Head to the official website, which should be the top result. Next, go to the Download section. In the Windows section, click the Windows Builds from Gyan.dev option. Now, on the Gyan.dev page, scroll down and download the latest full version of FFmpeg. Step 2. Extract FFmpeg. Once the download is complete, you'll have a .7z file. To extract it, use any compression software that supports 7z files. I'm using the free version of WinRAR here. After extraction, you'll see a folder. You can rename it for easy organization. I'm naming mine _FFmpeg and moving it to the C drive. Step 3. Set up FFmpeg in system variables. Step 3 is setting FFmpeg up in your system's environment variables so you can access it from anywhere on your PC. First, go to your Start menu and search for System Variable. Select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click Environment Variables. Scroll down to the System Variables section and find Path. Select it, then click Edit. In the Edit Environment Variables window, click on the last empty line, then hit Browse. Navigate to your FFmpeg folder, go into the bin folder, and select it. Once added, click OK to close all windows and save your changes. Congratulations! FFmpeg is now set up on your system, and you can use it to handle all sorts of media manipulations. Showcasing, converting MKV to MP4 with FFmpeg. Now that FFmpeg is set up, let me show you a quick use case, converting an MKV video file to MP4. Step 1. Navigate to the folder where your video file is located. Step 2. In the folder's address bar, type cmd and press Enter. This will open the command prompt directly in that folder. Step 3. Type this command: FFmpeg-i input file space output file. If you don't want to type the full file name, you can press the Tab key after typing part of the file name, and it will auto-complete for you. After entering the input and output file names, hit Enter to start the conversion process. In just a few moments, your MKV file will be converted to MP4. And there you have it, a simple 3-step process to set up FFmpeg and a quick showcase of how powerful it is. You can now explore FFmpeg's many features, like converting media, extracting audio, or even creating GIFs. Check out the link in the description for the official FFmpeg documentation to learn more. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips from Ocean Interaction. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.